Good afternoon, everyone. Today is the sea day. It's our last full day on the cruise ship. Tomorrow morning we'll get off. So it's about 11:30, almost 12. We're going to head out and go to the enrichment about Queen Elizabeth II. And after that, we're going to do Voices of the Ocean. It's the finale. 6 people compete, and you vote on one winner. We have our personal favorite, but we're going in with open minds, so just keep that in mind. The captain's announcing something. I have no idea what he's saying. So we're in Princess Live for the Queen Elizabeth enrichment by it's the lecturer's Janice Leader. She's really knowledgeable. I highly recommend coming to it. There's all kinds of enrichments going on, but these are my favorite types.
To introduce myself to you now, my name's Janice Leader, and I'm very happy to be the guest lecturer on the cruise, even though it's only 2 days we have at sea, and so they just gave me the 2 slots because it's so busy. And today we are going to be chatting about the lady who meant a lot to me and so many other people. She was the queen that I knew from the time I was born, really. So it's a very interesting story. It's very light. So I'm going to introduce you to all the reasons that this was her unusual route to the throne. Speech. So you know her father had a very bad stutter, and he was very nervous, of course, when speaking, and it's really as near to the truth as you'll get, really, with the King's speech. So he was a quiet man. They had a quiet life, and suddenly you're thrust, you and your family, in.
So we just finished the enrichment about Queen Elizabeth II. It was really good. But I like history, so if you're not a history fan, I don't know. If you don't like the monarchs either, that's probably not your vibe, but I thought it was good. Anyway, so now we're here at the Voice of the Ocean. And they've set it up like the actual The Voice.
Our singers have had the privilege to work with some of the best voices you will ever hear, our Regal Princess singers. So please give it up for your production singers, Alora Latin and Michael Hunsaker.
Right.
Jackie, joined by Ron, and Martin, joined by Bernadette. Okay. All of our singers are out here. You all did a fabulous job, but there is one winner that was chosen by all of you. And with 52% of the votes, the winner of our final British Isles cruise of the Voice of the Ocean is Bernadette!
So now we are at afternoon tea. This is the last time for tea, which is the second sea day. This sandwich, this is my second sandwich. It's pretty good. I haven't tried the scone, but it has raisins in it, so I'm sure I'll like it. We're heading back to our room. We almost just got stuck in an elevator, so that's lovely. We took a little nap and now we're gonna go eat. And then there's a show tonight, I believe it's called Sweet and Soulful, something like that. Look at the view though. It's like almost reflective. You can't like see where sky starts and water begins. It's beautiful. There's a boat out there. Woo! Here is the princess patter for today. Feel free to pause it. Sorry about the shadow. So we've just finished packing and they've given us our tag. They've given us cream tags to put on our luggage so you can sit it out in the hallway. It has to be out by 9 p.m. We're probably, I don't know, are we doing the second show or not? Or you just want to lay down? I took like a half an hour nap.
Still want to do something.
And this next show is at 9:30, so we're probably going to do that. And then we're just going to call it a night because there's literally not much else to do. My camera died before we went to the show, and it was pretty much just like soul music. It was very good. I just think some of the songs, it was hard to hear the singers, but what you could hear is really good. They're very talented. Did you like it, Zachary?
Yeah, not my favorite.
Not your favorite. What was your favorite?
Was it last night?
Last night was Adele. I'm just trying to think of what it was. Oh, was it the circus one?
Oh, yeah, that one, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So he liked the circus one. I think that one was probably my favorite too. Maybe. I really liked Adele. Adele was good. Becky Porter as Adele, but tomorrow is disembarkation day for us. Unfortunately, a lot of people are just staying on and doing a transatlantic over to Fort Lauderdale. We are not, so tomorrow will be our last day, but we're still going to do a lot. We have a day in London also, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.